This video explains how to add a CAN-SPAM compliant footer to your prospecting emails, and it shows what happens in Salesforce when a recipient clicks the unsubscribe link. Let's take a look. Compose an email either from scratch or using a template. In this case, we're using a template. Then click the Check Unsubscribes button to verify the opt-out status for all the recipients. Veloxy queries Salesforce and its own databases to verify that the recipient has not previously opted out. Even if there is no Salesforce record for the recipient, Veloxy maintains its own record for anyone that has previously opted out from your emails. In this example, there's no evidence of that, so Veloxy reports it's okay to continue. Next, click the CAN-SPAM compliant button. This adds a CAN-SPAM compliant footer for your company to the bottom of the email. Click Send and off it goes. Before we look at the email in the recipient's mailbox, you can see in Salesforce that the opt-out is unchecked for this prospect. Now let's see the email. Here it is, and down at the bottom is the unsubscribe link. When the recipient clicks on the link, they immediately receive confirmation that they have been unsubscribed from future emails. Back in Salesforce again, you can see the opt-out is now checked, so it is no longer possible to send emails to this prospect. That's all there is to it. Now you can safely send unsolicited emails to your prospects in confidence that you are not breaking the law or jeopardizing your company's reputation. Thanks for watching.